spent around 4,000 pesos to 5,000 for the day for the trip. Because of the coke, cobra, water, food, etc. It will be around 5,000. Oh, done is our place. Look at our place, done already. Look. Oh, now, after in the bedroom, the other your other toilet is done already. Now they are on the first bedroom. This is your master's, no? That's your master's. After there, they will go here, the hallway, the family room, and then go into your master's here, there. There. On your house, they will use 2 boxes of Sahara waterproofing. On our house, they use only 1 box and 10 kilos. Because according to Mario, you need a lot of waterproofing because of the bigger terrace and the bigger bathroom and the bigger flooring. I think the cement will be subdivided into 65 on your part and 35% lang on our part. That is Mario's computation. Okay, we will ask for water delivery because the coming out from the hose is not suffice. They need water, a lot of water at once. So we are waiting for the delivery for this. So cement. There are 5 people na nagsasako ng graba at white sand sa baba. Then 3 people naman nag-aakyat. Super init dito, super hot. Grabe. Ito. Agad tayo sa coke, sa cobra, sa yellow. Grabe. The lunch nyo lang, I spent 542 pesos on rice. The ulam, kanina, lunchtime, I spent na siguro around 2. Tinolang manok lang yun, ha? Dami kasi, gutom na gutom sila. That one, oh, yung nag-aakyat. Ayan, nag-aakyat. So, the cement and the yung graba and sand, dinadaan nila sa hagdan na yan. There. Nandito sa baba. There. Ito naman yung lalagay sa sako. See? Ito yung tree na sinasabi mo outside the house. Sabi naman nung kapitbahay, pangit na daw yan. Dapat palitan ng mas maliit. I don't know. I think this will be safe naman. Nasa labas siya. Meron pa din. Look. Bakit na binti nila eh. Diba na yung pagkakiat niya? And that one is super heavy. One bag of gravel and then 1 bag of sand. And look at that one. Kasi hindi na pa nung mixer. mixer.